Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to set up and use J5Create Triple Display Docking Station Multi-Monitor Setup Guide. Step 1. Power and connect the dock. First, plug the docking station's power adapter into a wall outlet and then connect the other end to the power delivery PD port on the dock. Then plug the main USB-C cable from the dock into a compatible USB-C port on your laptop. And ensure your laptop's ports support DisplayPort, ALT mode, or Thunderbolt for video output. Step 2. Connect your monitors. First, connect your monitors to the docking station using HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cables, depending on your specific dock model. For example, JCG543. And note that certain video ports on the dock may utilize USB-based graphics driver to bypass your computer's built-in limits, while others use native GPU output. Step 3. Install required display drivers. While Windows and Mac OS may display simple mirroring automatically, activating three independent external displays requires proprietary software. First, visit the official J5Create drivers page and search for your specific model number, and download the appropriate driver for Windows or Mac OS and run the installer. Then reboot your computer to complete the driver installation. Step 4. Configure display settings. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop and select Display Settings for Windows, or open System Settings and then go to Displays for Mac OS. You will see numbered boxes representing your monitors. Click Identify to see which box corresponds to which physical screen. Then drag and drop these boxes so they match the physical layout on your desk. And ensure the multiple display option is set to extend these displays instead of duplicate. And select the box that represents the screen you want as your main workspace and check the Make this my main display box. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.